Latest crypto and NFT news. Yuga Labs announces new CEO from Activision to expand its Metaverse initiatives. Yuga Labs recently announced Daniel Alegre will replace Nicole Muniz as the new Chief Executive Officer, FT reports. The new CEO will help the creator company of board Ape Yacht Club in building the Otherside Metaverse in early 2023. Alegre was previously the president of Activision, the world-famous video game company, widely known for creating Call of Duty. This announcement comes after he shared he is stepping down from his position on Friday. According to co-founders Greg Solano and Wiley Arono, Alegre's expertise as an executive will help Yuga Labs compete against the giant virtual worlds. We wanted to bring in someone with a proven track record of building at the highest possible level, they said. On the other hand, Muniz will still remain in the company as an executive and advisor to the team along with other co-founders. Visit our website for more news.